Hey, this is Brian. Thanks so much for watching Kies Motorsports. Today, we're going to show you one of the cheapest and easiest mods for your F30, and that is the K&N air filter. Now, whether you're looking for just everyday basic maintenance or you're looking to build a race car, you really need to make sure that you have a good air filter in there. Now, the air filters that come on most cars, including this BMW, is paper from the factory. They last about 12,000 miles and you throw them out. A really cool thing about the K&N filters is they're made of cotton and they're reusable. So once it gets too dirty, what you can do is you can clean it out. They sell a cleaning kit, and then you're good to go. You throw it back in the car. So how much horsepower are you gonna get from dropping a filter in? Well, maybe 5 horsepower or so. But the cool thing about this is as you start to do more to your car, as you start to tune it, you're going to have much better airflow, which is going to result in performance. One of the other benefits of a K&N drop-in filter is it utilizes the stock air box, which as you can see, is completely enclosed. Now, a lot of times you can actually get better performance out of this than if you had an intake with an open filter. Now, if you take your time, the installation process takes about 45 seconds. So let's pull the old filter out, we'll compare them, and then we'll throw the K&N in. All right, when you look at your air box, you'll see that there are 4 clips. There's a clip here, pop that up, clip here. On the back, there's one. And then by the motor, there's one more. Once you've done that, you just lift this up, grab your old filter and slide it out. Here's a look at the paper filter that came in my car. I don't know, I never was a fan of paper filters. They're just very restrictive. Now, some of the other benefits of the K&N filter are A, with these, you replace them every 12,000 miles, so you just throw them out. With these, what you do is you clean them every 50,000 miles. That's what K&N recommends, and they come with a 1,000,000-mile warranty. So if you are one of the lucky who gets to drive your car for 1,000,000 miles, you have a warranty on your filter, so it'll last a lifetime. When you look close at the filter, you can see that there's cotton on the inside, and then it has this protective screen mesh on the outside to protect from larger rocks and debris. All right, for the reinstallation, you take your filter, you lift it up, slide it in the groove. Then, as you'd imagine, you just take these clips, clip them into place like that. Then as you did before, you get this one here and this one down here. All right, and the installation is that easy if you have an N55. This is the part that I use, so it's 332997, and we will have a link to that in the description. Now, because this is a closed system, you're not gonna get those cool whoosh sounds and the blow off sounds that you would from an open air filter. But this is going to really prevent heat soak and give you much lower temperatures. Again, this is Brian. Thanks so much for watching Kies Motorsports. As you saw, this is one of the quickest, the easiest, and the cheapest modifications that you can do for your BMW or really any car on the market. As I mentioned, we do have a link in the description for this specific filter, but if you're looking for something more high performance, be sure to check us out at kiesmotorsports.com. As always, give us a like, make sure to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.